Embrace the future of technology with us at Sophia Antipolis as we bid to host the esteemed International Association of Science Park World Conference 2026. More than just a location, Sophia Antipolis represents a convergence of innovative minds, blending cutting-edge technology with the warmth of a community that values the human factor and an inclusive approach to progress. Our vibrant science and technology park, nestled in the French Riviera, presents a unique proposition for this event. As we open our doors to host the International Association of Science Parks World Conference, Sophia Antipolis invites you to be a part of an event that not only explores the future of technology, but embraces the humanity within it. Shaping a future where innovation is not only cutting edge, but deeply connected to the hearts and minds of people from every corner of the globe. Sophia Antipolis has been thriving on its human-centric approach to innovation. Strategically located in Europe, Sophia Antipolis offers unparalleled accessibility. With a unique international airport, the park provides a seamless gateway for delegates from around the world. From cutting-edge auditoriums to collaborative spaces, the infrastructure ensures a conducive environment for the exchange of ideas and knowledge. Hosting the International Association of Science Parks World Conference 2026 in this dynamic ecosystem ensures an immersive experience. Delegates will find the perfect setting for cultivating creativity and fostering connections. Sophia Antipolis provides an inspiring natural backdrop, promoting a balanced work environment. Amidst green spaces and innovative architecture, we would like to propose and showcase for the 2026 International Association of Science Parks World Conference how technology can be a force for good. Sophia Antipolis in France emerges as the ideal host for the International Association of Science Park World Conference 2026. Join us in this dynamic ecosystem where innovation knows no boundaries, and let's shape the future together.